down fourth grade, CSI day, it's a fun day. We were the detectives, we were the crime scene, rotating basketball in the backboard, played against the teachers who won the big trophy, thumbs up a FedEx, sitting, go